Hey, well, I just got home from work and I had a Gwynnie Bee box. So I wanted to quickly hop on here and do an unboxing. I've been talking about Gwynnie Bee for a few weeks now. It is my new favorite clothing service. So if you've never heard of Gwynnie Bee, it is a subscription clothing rental service. So what that means is you can be refreshing your wardrobe all the time, and you get something, you wear it, you send it back, or you keep it because you like it and you buy it from them. So fun because I get new clothes all the time. I've been a subscriber since the fall, and I love it being a working mom because it just helps me add to my wardrobe without me having to spend a whole lot of money on really nice clothes. So right now they are offering a free trial. And so you can get a month for free to try it out. So with spring here or almost here, depending on where you live, it's super fun to maybe get some fresh clothes and get them for free. You're not going to pay a dime for that month. So use that link that I've got here on the video, and that's going to hook you up with that 30-day free trial to get your clothes. So you get one of these bags to send your clothes back. So that's really handy. Everything comes wrapped, and so you pick out the clothes that you like. So there's no stylist or anything like that. You're picking out what you like. So I got this really cute Vince Camuto top. How cute is that? Really fun for spring. It's still cool in my office, so I like that it's long sleeve. Really cute print. And then I'm a big dresses girl, and so here is a fun little dress for spring that I also just love the colors. So really easy. Free clothes, guys. 1 month free. You're going to use this to freshen your wardrobe up, or if you've got pictures coming up, or you've got events coming up, or you just want some new clothes but you don't want to spend some money. Free clothes, guys. So go to that link and get that free trial and see if it's something that you really like. I know I really do. All right, see you later. Bye.